Hello everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be cooking. My mac and cheese is deeply flavorful. It's made with a cheesy, rich, and creamy sauce, and oh so comforting. It's slightly baked with buttery and crispy homemade breadcrumbs. This mac and cheese is part of our Christmas dinner table, which you can see at the end of the video. Let's start by using stale bread of your choice. I prefer a stale French baguette for some flavor. Add to your food processor and pulse for a few seconds until fine and crumbly. Transfer your breadcrumbs to a small bowl. Add parsley to your breadcrumbs. I like to rub the dried parsley between my fingers to release some flavor. Add butter and stir until combined. In a dry pan over medium heat, place breadcrumbs to toast gently, stirring often. I like using a cast iron for this. It heats evenly and it toasts the breadcrumbs to a beautiful golden color. Add a pinch of salt. Stir often. Breadcrumbs will become golden brown in about 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer to a bowl and let cool. And now for the mac and cheese. Bring your pasta water to a boil. Add salt to your pasta water. I like to use cavatappi pasta. It's sort of the grown-up version of the elbow macaroni. Add your pasta and stir so it doesn't stick. No need to add oil. Cook your pasta 2 minutes less than recommended to keep it from getting mushy when you bake it. Drain excess water. No need to rinse your pasta. In a large Dutch oven over medium heat, melt your butter. Sprinkle in your flour. This is the roux for your mac and cheese. Stir for 3 minutes continuously. Do not allow to burn. All we're doing here is cooking off the raw flavor of the flour. We're making it nutty and flavorful. Add milk slowly and continue to stir. Add half and half slowly and continue to stir. Continue to cook on medium heat and let bubble slightly. Add salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Stir to combine. The addition of the nutmeg is very important. It gives the bechamel in your cheese sauce its depth of flavor and complexity. Don't skip this ingredient. Make sure you grind a fresh whole nutmeg. Your bechamel should coat the back of the spoon when done. Turn your heat off. Add the cheese slowly, stirring after each addition. You have just made the most silkiest cheese sauce ever. And now for a little taste. Add your pasta to your cheese sauce and stir to coat every morsel. At this stage, check for seasoning if you need more salt or pepper. I actually prefer my mac and cheese like this, creamy and gooey, but I was outnumbered and didn't stand a chance. Everybody wanted it baked with the buttery breadcrumbs on top. Place in a 9x13 baking pan. If using a glass baking pan, make sure to butter your pan first. Spread your reserved cheese on top. Really make it your own by adding extra cheese or different toppings. Top with your buttery, toasty breadcrumbs. Place in your 325-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes. Remove from oven. Now, depending on how crispy you want your mac and cheese, you can leave in the oven longer to crisp up. Now, this for my family was a perfect compromise. Hope you give my mac and cheese a try. It's creamy, cheesy, rich, silky, buttery, crispy, toasty, and oh so comforting. Make sure to check out my other videos on how to make all these tasty dishes that you see on the table. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.